Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Shakri Izlan Bisharuddin. I am from class E38, Foundation of Engineering, UiTM Daycare. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make or design a brochure by using Google Doc. First, what is brochure and what the usage of the brochure? Brochure can be defined as promotional document. It is usually used to introduce organization, product or service and inform prospective customer or members of the public of the benefits. Then, without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, the first step that you need to do is open Google Chrome. Alright, next, before you go to the next step, you must make sure that you already signed to any Google account. If you already signed in a Google account, then click the 9 dots at the top of the corner and scroll down until you see Docs, which stand for document. Okay, as you can see, there are a few types of template that you can use to make your own documents such as brochure, resume, letter, and project proposal. But today, we are not going to use any of this template because we are going to make a brochure from scratch. So, we click the blank page. Alright, the first step that you need to do is you must rename the document so it is easier for you to find it later. So, for example, I'm going to change the document to brochure test. Alright, the next step, we need to change the page setup of this document. So, go to the file and scroll until you see page setup. Alright, we need to change the orientation of the page to landscape and change all the margin to 0.25 inch. 0.25. Alright, then click OK. Alright, the next step that you need to do is go to the format, column, and click more option. So, today we are going to make a 3-fold brochure. So, the number of columns that we need is 3. Leave the spacing inch to 0.5 and enable the line between columns. Alright, the next step is click enter until at the end of the page. Alright, we are doing this so that we can put the text anywhere that we want. Alright, for this page, we are going to do a front page, cover page. So, we need to put a title. For example, the title that I am going to use is Crunchy Chakras Chocoja. Alright, for this title, I can change the paragraph size to title, so make it big, and change the title to the center. Alright. Then, if you want to make it more beautiful, you can change the type of font. So I'm going to use this font. Alright. You can also change the font to make it bold, and the color of the font, the color of the text too. Alright, I'm going to use this color. Alright, so this is for title. Next, below the title, you can type anything that you want. So I'm going to type Create your choco jar now. Yes, it is available. Alright, so if you don't like it in one line, you can bring this text to down by pressing enter. Make it center, and there you go. You also can change the font. For example, I'm going to use this and highlight the text by pressing highlight color and put any color that you like. Alright, for next step, I'm going to show you how to insert an image. First, click this insert button and click image. As you can see, there are a lot of ways you can upload your image. So for now, I'm going to upload from my computer, as the image I has already downloaded. So the image I want to insert is this, and I open the file, and you can see the image is already here. If you want to bring the image to anywhere you want, just click to the red text and choose move with text, and you hold the image and you can put anywhere that you want. Alright, so I'm going to put it here to make it better. I'm going to put it. Alright, then below this image you can put anything that you like to make it define the picture. So I'm going to put touch your day with a crunchy choco jar. Alright, then we make it center and change the font of the text to this. Alright, to this, and make it bigger and bold the text. Alright, done for this page. Now let's get to the middle page, which is the page of your information, such as your Facebook account, email, and your contact number. Okay, for this page, I'm going to insert another image. So go to insert image, and for now I'm going to search it from web. Just search Facebook. Alright, so you can choose any image that you want and click insert. Alright, the image is here. If the image is too big, you can resize it to make it smaller, and you can move the text by pressing right text and move with text. Make it center. Alright. Now I'm going to teach you how to insert link. Click this insert link shortcut over here, and I'm going to copy my Facebook link and paste it here, and I'm going to and click apply. So as you can see, the link is over here. If you click the text, it will show the link that will go you to the link that you click. Alright, next I'm going to insert another image. So this time I'm going to insert email. Email logo. Alright, so I'm going to insert it, and make it smaller. Alright, then I'm going to put my email down here. .com. So if you want to make it beautiful, you can change the font, and change the color of the text. Alright, and I'm going to insert another image for contact number, phone icon. Alright, then I'm going to use this image and insert. I make it smaller and move the text down a little bit and put your contact number, but first we need to make it center first. For example, 09, and below of this contact number you can put your name. For example, I'm going to put Mr. Sakrit. And then to make it more beautiful, you can change the fonts to anything that you like, Laura, and make it bold. Alright, for the last page, I'm going to type about the detail of the product. Now for the type and the price of the product, I'm going to make it in a table. So go to insert the table, go to insert. Now for the type and the price of the product, the choco jar, I'm going to make it in a table. To insert the table, go to insert and choose table. For this table, I'm going to make it 2 times 3 table, which is 2 columns and 3 rows. Alright, before we type anything inside this box, highlight all the box and make the text center. Alright, for the left top box, I'm going to type the type of the choco jar, and this right table I'm going to type the price of the choco jar, price per jar. Alright, to make it more interesting, you can change the font. So I'm going to use this font and make it underline. Alright, for example, the first type of the choco jar that I want to use is Cocoa. Right. And the next one is Cocoa Crunch. If you want to insert another table, you can adding by press the right click of your mouse and scroll until you see insert row below, then click it, and there will be another table that was added below this table. Alright, for this table I'm going to type a cocoa ball, and the price for the cocoa rice, for example, I'm going to make it RM 15 ringgit, for cocoa crunch is RM 10 ringgit, and for the cocoa ball is RM 13 ringgit. Then you can also change the highlight this table and change the font to this. Alright, cannot use another one, use this one. Alright, okay, for the next step is I'm going to put another image. So we are going to insert image and upload from computer, because I already have the image. Alright, so the image that I want to use is this image, which is it shows that all the type of choco jar that of the product. Alright, make it smaller. And you also can trim the picture by double click the picture and bring this line until the wherever you want. Okay. Sorry. Alright, so the picture here is already trimmed. So I'm going to move the text. So I'm going to use this and make it center. Alright. You also can add the color for the image background by double click it and by pressing a border color. You can choose any color that you like. For example, I'm going to use this color. Now, below this image, I'm going to type the recipe of of this chocolate jar. Alright, then I will type the recipe of the chocolate jar. Alright, to giving a point, you can use this bullet list so that it will become easier for you. So I will press the bullet list. Before that, you can choose any design that you like. So I'm going to use this design and type the recipe. For example, chocolate milk. Next one is cooking oil. Cooking oil. And the next one is topping. And this is additional. And we can highlight all this text by pressing highlight and choose this color. Alright, now to get rid of this line between the column, you need to go to format by clicking column, more options, and disable the line between column and apply it. And there you go, the line is between the column has gone. So that's all for the tutorial on how to make and design a brochure by using Google Docs. If you want to print it out, you can go to file and go to this print. You don't have to worry that the document will lost because this document will automatically save to your drive. Now I'm going to show you another sample of brochure I already have done before. Alright, let's see. What is it? Alright, this is it. Alright, this is another sample of brochure that I already done. As you can see, the brochure is more colorful and more beautiful. Alright, that's all for me on how to make or design a brochure by using Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and comment at the comment checks below. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.